it's time. Dog bones are done. And you don't really need, it's not very hot right now. So I'm just gonna take these out. There they are. Hey, welcome back to Native Eats. I'm over here cleaning out my smoker, throwing stuff in the fire pit, getting ready, because did you know you can make your own dog bones? Yes, you can. Smoked dog bones. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So I'll see you guys back in the Native Eats kitchen. I have here, all you need are 3 ingredients if you wanna count the smoker, but really 2 ingredients. I've got mesquite wood chips. I've had them soaking. You wanna soak them for at least 30 minutes, but you best to soak them overnight. All right, so you're gonna strain them in a strainer. And I went ahead and I covered up the smoker. So what you wanna do is you wanna get a good smoker, okay? Your smoker is preferably electric, but if you like to use a regular type of smoker, that's fine too. I have a Native Eats approved smoker. What that means is that there is no plastics, there is no aluminum rack. It doesn't have anything that's gonna give off toxins in the food. And so if you wanna know about that smoker, comment me and I'll tell you how to get it. All right, so we're gonna get these right in. All right, we're ready to go. I'll see you guys back at the smoker. All right, here we go. So these bones are from Pasture Prime here in Florida. They gave me a really big box of bones. And so what I did is I sorted through the bones and I found the knuckles and the ones that were really good for the dogs and the ones that were more long and skinny and like didn't really look like they were healthy for the dog or could it be jaggedy. I set it aside for grass-fed beef bone broth. All right, that's it. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna close this baby up. We've got our wood chips in there. And we're gonna set our temperature for 225. We're gonna go to 225. We're gonna let these go for 2 hours and I'll see you guys back for the finished product. All right, it's time. Dog bones are done. And you don't really need, it's not very hot right now. So I'm just gonna take these out. There they are. Very smoky, still retaining all of that good fat inside. So let's finish pulling these out. Woo! And you can see they're not really like too overcooked, but still really smoky for the dog. You get these nice smoky bones into the refrigerator or freeze them. We're going to bag these up. We're gonna put half of them in the refrigerator, give some for gifts, and then voila, you have your own homemade dog bones. So I'm gonna freeze some of them though, just because I want them to last just a little bit longer, but because they're smoked, they will last a couple months probably in the refrigerator. And I hope that this was helpful to you guys. And I hope that you can start saving some money or, giving your dog these awesome vittles. So I'll see you guys next time. And remember, like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys next time.